Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo A5 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set camera blurring in Oppo A5 smartphone. First, go to the camera mode in your phone. As the Oppo A5 has 12 camera, the blurring effect will be set automatically. That is, first object is clearly focused, and other than that, the background will be blurred. If you want to lock at one position, just you can long press on the screen and the blurring effect will be automatically locked. Yes, see here the first object is clear, that is hand is clear, and other than that the background is blurred. See there, the objects behind the hand are blurred, and in this way you can easily set camera blurring in your Oppo A5 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.